Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. Love for all my students, honorable guardians and viewers. I think everybody fine. And I especially thanks to Monohordi Online School that gives me for taking the class. And especially admin sir who arranged this. It is my first class with you, so I describe myself in shortly. I am Nargis Sultana, assistant teacher of Choktatardi Girls Primary School. I love to do any work with great responsibility, and I love my sweetie and cutie students. My dear students, I think everyone is fine. How are you today? I think you are fine. I am also fine. You already know that for the reason of COVID-19, we are not attend the regular class in our own school. So we are in online class. Now I start my routine class today. Today's class, class 4, subject English, unit 30, 4 to 6, activity B. Be attentive, my loving students. Can you say what did we do the last class? I know you are. Yeah, months of the year. Months of the year 1. Activity A. Today we start activity B, but before my class start, I will see something. Can you guess? What can I see you? Look at my hand. What is this? What is this? Can you tell me? Yeah. It's a calendar. It's a calendar. Last class you also saw this. The calendar has shown 2 months each page. Now you tell me what month is it? January. Fine. Then February. Then March, then April. Can you repeat after me? You must repeat after me. Then 5th month, May. 6th month, June. What is the 7th month? July. Yeah. Then what is the 8th month? August. Then September, October, November. And what month? Can you tell me? Yes, December. It's another call. There is a 12. Repeat after me. The months of the year in a rhyme. Okay? March, April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December. Fine. Can you get pleasure? I think you get more pleasure. I write 12 months in a paper. Do you want to see? Yes. Can you see the writing? Yeah. What is the first month? January. What is the second month? February. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Now, we can say the month of the year in ordinal numbers. I write here like first. It's another spell. First. Second, like third, like this. Now, I am questioning to you, what is the seventh month? What is the seventh month? Yeah, July. What is the seventh month? July. Then, what is the last month? Last means 12th month. Last means 12th month. December. Everyone completed? Yeah, yes. Now, let's go to another part. I think you are feel boring. So, we'll play a game. We'll play a game now. Before playing a game, we see something. Look at the pushpin board. Before. Before means পূর্বে. আমরা বাংলায় বুঝি এটাকে পূর্বে বা আগে, যে কাজটা আগে হয় বা যে বস্তুটা আগে থাকে, বিফোর, উই কোড বিফোর। লাইক look at the board, students and viewers. I write any of the month's names. May. Its room is, তার মানে এখানে কিছু লেখা হয়নি। আমরা এখানে কি বসাবো? আমরা জেনেছি বিফোর মিন্স আগে বা পূর্বে, দ্যাট মিন্স মে। মে এর আগের মাস কোনটা? এখন সবার মুখে হাসি, এখন সবাই বুঝতে পারছে। মের এর আগের মাস হচ্ছে এপ্রিল। এপ্রিল তো মিন্স বিফোর। Then look at the pushpin board. I will see another. I show you another sheet. What letter is? What word it is? After. After means pore, later. Then we erase the month of the name May. Now you tell me what month's name is here? Yeah, May. That means after. Now we can see another paper. What are you see in the pushpin board? দেখো তোমরা, এর দুটো পাশ খালি আছে, তিনটি ঘর, তার মাঝে বিটুইন কি লেখা আছে? আমার সাথে আবার বলো, বিটুইন। বিটুইন, এই বিটুইন এর মিন্স মধ্যে, মাঝে। I get you an example. Look at the board. I extension the another column and erased the month May. I write here June. I write here June. Can you see? Then after transfer June, then এখন বলো তো এপ্রিল অ্যান্ড জুন, এই দুইয়ের মাঝে কোন মাসটি আছে? আমরা কি বলতে পারি? ইয়েস, মে। That means between. That means between. Before, after and between. Clear? Everybody clear? Thank you. Now, open your book. Open your book at page 61. Do you open the book? Yes. There are some questions for you. Activity B. Activity B. Peer work. Ask and answer questions. There are some questions for you. Can you see the questions? I read out the questions. You follow me. What month comes after February? What month is before April? What is the 8th month? What is the first month? What is the last month? What month is between June and August? We can practice like this. The previous lesson. Yes. Now, you can do the work in pair, but this situation we are not get together, so we play the rule, a rule play like this. Take your notebook and write two names. Meeta, Raju. First, Meeta asked Raju, what month comes after February? What month comes after February? Then Raju answered, কি বলবে বলতে পারছো তোমরা কি ক্যান ইউ গেস? ইয়া, মার্চ। Then again, Raju asked, what month is before April? What month is before April. Then Then Meeta answered, what month is before April? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? It's also March. The place has continued in this way. Then again, Meena asked, what is the 8th month? Then Raju answered, August is the 8th month. Then again, Raju asked, what is the first month? Then Meeta answered, January is the first month. Then again Raju asked, what is the last month? Then again Meeta answered, December is the last month. Then again Raju asked, what month is between June and August? Then Meeta answered, can you tell me? Please. Yes. July. So everybody complete the questions. Now I will get you sometimes to write down the answer on your notebook. First question was, what month comes after February? Answer is can you tell me the answer? Anyone? Yeah. March. Can you see? Write down the answer on your notebook. March comes after February. Then another answer, what month is before April? It also March. March is before April. Can you write down? Then, what is the first month? Can you face any problem? Then I write down the answers on board. what is the 8th month? 8th month. August is the 8th month. Then, what is the first month? January is the first month. Then, what is the last month? Then, what month is between June and August? July is sorry, students. I think everyone or all of my students have completed the answer of the questions. If you like this class, please send me like, comments. Stay safe at home because we are through COVID-19. We are passing through COVID-19 and maintain the hygienic rules, preventive rules of COVID-19. Goodbye, students. See you again in the next class. And finally, love for all students and viewers. Thank you.